Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Look at that curl poppage. All thanks to the Bentonite Clay mask that I'll be showing you guys today. Keep on watching to see how. All you'll need is Bentonite Clay, apple cider vinegar, unfiltered or raw, and a plastic spoon and a plastic bowl or glass, anything that's not metal. I added 5 spoons of the bentonite clay into the bowl, and then I just threw a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I didn't really measure it. I just threw as I saw was needed, and then I added water as well to lower the acidity of the apple cider vinegar. I am adding a little bit more apple cider vinegar and water just to get the right consistency that will work for me. I finally have a decent consistency, so let's get into it. So this bentonite clay mask is supposed to cleanse your hair, so I did not shampoo my hair before. This is being done on dirty hair. Because this is a clay mask and it will most likely dry your hair, you need to make sure your hair is saturated with water before applying the mask, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. I will just saturate my hair with water and then I will detangle it before applying the product or the mask. So what is bentonite clay? Bentonite clay is also referred to as healing clay. It's derived from volcanic ashes in deep rock deposits, and it has a high absorption rate of oil. So when combined with water, apple cider vinegar or any other fluid, bentonite clay becomes negatively charged, attracting positively charged toxins and oil from the hair. It acts like a magnet, so it draws out all impurities from the scalp. Bentonite clay provides deep hydration for your hair and your scalp. It gets rid of dandruff and flakiness. It intensely clarifies your hair and your scalp as it draws out all impurities and toxins without stripping your hair. It promotes hair growth, reduces frizz and tangling, and it adds shine to your hair, giving your curls more life. I'm applying the mask from my ends to the roots, and I'll be massaging it into my scalp as it's supposed to be a substitute for a shampoo. So I'm applying it as I would apply a shampoo. The clay doesn't feel too bad on my hair. I've heard people mention that the clay dries very quickly on the hair, which did not happen to me. I'm not sure if that's a good or a bad thing, but we move. Guys, let's not talk about the faces that I'm making in this video. The smell was so terrible. It was not a good smell. And I know we all have a facial expression that we make when we do our hair, so it's a thing. I could tell that the mixture would not be enough, and I was right. This is what's left and I'm only halfway done with my hair. So I will probably need to add more bentonite clay to the mixture. So I've finished my entire head. I'm just adding whatever is left over in the bowl and just putting that on my hair. It's a very messy situation. So the mask is getting everywhere, on my cupboards, on my legs, on my floor. It's quite messy, but nonetheless the curls are popping. I always knew my hair was uneven. The one side is longer than the other side, but wow, I can see it more clearly with this mask on. Eventually I will do something about that, but for now it is what it is. I kept the mask on for about 40 minutes and then I rinsed it out. So this is what my hair looks like after rinsing out the clay mask. I mean, there is some curls there. There is actually lots of definition. Given the fact that there's no product on my hair, there is frizz, which is understandable. And my hair is very soft and bouncy. And it does feel clean, so it's a win. I would definitely recommend it, so do try it out. As always, please don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts down below, and please subscribe.